This is another video of the flood house, and what we're doing today, we're putting together some scaffolding to get up to the second story of the house and clean out the gutters. Gutters are totally clogged, so we're going to erect the scaffolding. Just bought it. It looks pretty secure, but I'm a little apprehensive about putting 3 of these sections on top of each other, and getting up to the platform will be 15 feet up. So we'll see how it goes. We could, I wonder if I could just put the platform there, from here to there. Let me try that. Because I'll put the platform right here. And that may be far enough. That may be enough to reach the gutter. So, yeah, let's put the cross braces up. One minor detail. Let's put the cross braces up. Okay, if you hand me a cross brace. Yeah. That's definitely high enough. So now we got one more cross brace to do. Yeah, it's still recording. We're good. I don't know when this thing's recording and when it's not recording. Okay. Now let me get... These things are fairly easy to move. Okay, now I'll beat the other one up. So basically, you just got to get the hang of it, which takes just a few minutes to negotiate these scissor supports. Hold on. I'll get the top one first. Now see if you can get that one. See if you can plug that one in. Go ahead. No, right here. No, see if you can put that one in. Hold on. Got it. Okay. All right. climb up one more. Yeah. So we're definitely up high enough to do our job. This is sufficient. I don't run into any bees or anything. That was my other concern. So it's pretty stable, and I'm up high enough where I can do my work. So we're good to go. The only problem is when I move over to here, I'll have to get the adjustable ladder to clean out the stuff in this gutter. But we're up high enough.